Buddies, welcome back once again. Today I made another special type of bread. It's called zebra print bread. This bread is super easy to make and it tastes so amazing. But one thing in this recipe is I'm not going to start from the scratch. So I'm going to show you guys just how you can make this zebra print bread. Welcome back to all my followers, all my subscribers, both new, both old and the upcoming ones. Thank you for trusting my recipes. Thank you for sharing my videos, for the engagement, for the encouragement. I am super grateful. Let's take it. So first, you have to make sure you make your bread dough. I have made a video off and on how to make a bread dough. So you can use any of my bread videos to make a bread dough. Fine. Then once you are done making your bread dough, this bread dough I have here is 600 grams bread dough. I divided it into two parts, 300 grams each. So the other part is the plain part. I kept it aside, and the other part I had to make it into the chocolate bread by adding my cocoa powder, adding my chocolate flavor and all that. So I needed it to make this brown bread. Okay, now I went ahead and divided each part into 4 to 5 portions. Okay, then started rolling it out. I took out one part of the plain dough, roll it out, took out the chocolate dough as well, roll it out. Then I started placing each rolled out dough on each other, just as you see in the video. Okay, so I kept on placing it one on the other, just this way. And once I was done, I started rolling the dough out, just as you see in the video. Okay, so I rolled it out flat this way, and after rolling it out, I used my pizza cutter to cut it into parts, into about 4 equal parts, let me just say. Then I placed one part on the other, then the other part on the other part, just this way as you see in the video. Make sure I bring it together. Then I transfer into my grease 11 by 4 inches loaf pan, then cover it. You can also use 10 by 4 inches pan for this. Fine, cover it and let it proof for almost 3 hours. And once it has proven just this way, I pop this in my preheated oven and let it bake at 180 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes, or according to your oven temperature. And as it was still hot, I brushed the top with some butter or margarine, whichever one you have. Then took it out from the pan and placed on my cooling rack and let it cool down completely. Then I was ready to slice this bread. So although there are many ways you can make zebra print bread, but this is the easiest to me and is the one that will give you amazing prints. Those other ones can give you good prints, but the prints are not going to be this amazing. So I would like you to try this bread and let me know how it turned out for you. Let me know how people will be surprised when they see your bread. I hope you love this recipe and you're going to try it. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.